Isolated from the outside, clouds have taken all the light. I have no control, it seems my thoughts wander all of the time that I try to live my life without you. Birds falling from the rooftops out of the sky like raindrops. No air, no pride. If being myself is what I do wrong, I would rather not be right. Hopes turn into fear, and with my one wing I can't fly with sunrise. Embrace my dreams tight, and that's why birds falling down the rooftops out of the sky like raindrops. No air, no pride. Birds. To a place without fear, with no moonlight. All I need are trees and flowers and some sunlight, where memories are being made and where the old one dies, where love ain't lost. Birds are falling down the rooftops out of the sky like raindrops. No air, no pride. That's why birds don't fly.